At Learn Music Online, we know how important family involvement is to a child's education. That's why we've created a platform with 600 engaging music lessons designed to inspire creativity and build a love of music from the very start. Our lessons take students from absolute beginners through to advanced musical concepts, so parents can feel confident their child's musical skills will grow every step of the way. With nothing to install, it's truly child's play. Simply register with Google or Microsoft and get started right away. With 10 modules aligned to the K-12 curriculum, parents can easily support their child's musical journey at home. After logging in, select your instrument and start playing, from simple one-note songs to challenging pieces.
Tempo is an Italian word meaning rate of speed. Tempo marks tell how fast or slow the music should be played. Largo, adagio, andante, moderato, allegro, vivace.
Our family subscription covers up to 3 family members, while schools pay per student and get all teacher accounts free. For a limited time, every subscription includes a free bonus subscription to Mastering Music Online, which gives students access to the powerful online recording studio app used in many of these lessons, perfect for composing, arranging, and publishing their own music. Try Learn Music Online today and let your family discover the joy of music together.